A very good morning, good afternoon, and good evening as you are here to learn with me. Today our class will be on the use of that and the plural form of that, which is those, to talk about something or someone far away from us. We use the word that. T-H-A-T, that. So today I want all of you to read the question and learn with me. What is that? That is a flower. The plural of that is those. T-H-O-S-E, those. What are those? Those are flowers. One more time. What is that? That is a flower. What are those? Those are flowers. Two more questions I want all of you to read along with me two times. What is that? That is a balloon. What is that? That is a balloon. What are those? Those are balloons. What are those? Those are balloons. Singular. That is a singular. We use that to talk about a person or a thing which is far from us. Let's read the 4 sentences 2 times each. That is a bird. That is a bird. That is a tree. That is a tree. That is an owl. That is an owl. That is an aeroplane. That is an aeroplane. We will move to the next one, which is those are. Those are is a plural of that is. We use those to talk about persons or things which are far from us. Let's read the 4 sentences 2 times each. Those are stars. Those are stars. Those are trees. Those are trees. Those are cars. Those are cars. Those are women. Those are women. If you have enjoyed reading it along with me, please start it from the beginning and let's all read it together again. Thank you.